What's up guys, it is your boy Jake Daniels and welcome back to another haircut video on my channel. We are back at Jack the Clipper and my friend George is going to get a high volume quiff hairstyle which will be very popular in 2017.
Now I'm living better days. Hot chick in a black Corvette. Like she drove right out of a magazine. And oh my gosh, I never seen something so bright like the sky. Always guiding me. Oh my gosh, I never seen.
So after a hair wash with shampoo and conditioner, the stylist starts by sectioning out the hair. Then using the scissors, we're going to be taking 1 inch off the top. Also with scissors, he is now creating texture in the hair. Then with a razor, he starts to thin the hair out. Thinning means we are scraping off the top layer of the hair.
Lately I've been seeing visions, once in a lifetime, only us till the end.
The stylist then blow dries the sides of the hair down in preparation for the fade and the top of the hair upwards so it doesn't get in the way. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, why not chuck me a subscribe and come back next week.
Oh my gosh, I never seen something so bright like the sky. Always guiding me. Oh my gosh, I never seen something so beautiful and rare. Let me breathe your air, baby. Girl, come into my life and love me. Girl, come into my life.
And then with a cutthroat razor, we are sharpening up the back. As you can see, the fade looks sick. If you are in London or around the area, get yourselves down to Jack the Clipper because their fades are absolutely amazing, guys.
I've been seeing visions, once in a lifetime.
And then the styling process. We are using a rounded brush with hot air from the blow dryer to increase volume into the hair. We want that high voluminous quiff to look slick.
But it's so classic, like we bring you back to the 70s. Oh my gosh, I never seen something so bright like the sky. Always guiding me. Oh my gosh, I never seen something so beautiful and rare. Let me breathe your air, baby. Girl, come into my life and love me. Girl, come into my life and love me. Girl, come into my life and love. Brightest thing I ever seen. Never wanna leave the stream. Hope it's you. Hope it's you. Girl, hope it's you.
And for the finishing product, a hairspray is used. So in the comment section down below, tell me what you thought of today's hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you've got any video requests, let me know in the comment section. And I'll see you guys back here next week for more haircut and fashion content. I'm Jake Daniels.